You got 8 minutes, David, on your first course.
Great, thank you.
So David actually has a really interesting menu, and for a starter, we've got smoked chicken with a beetroot sorbet, celery, and walnut salad. Some pretty kind of strange combinations being chucked in there.
Smoked chicken, if it's over-smoked, it's going to be inedible. Will the sorbet actually set? Will it freeze in time? Gosh me, I hope it does for his sake.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
David, this looks really nice.
look at you. Very good. Go, quick.
Prettier than a sunrise at 37,000 feet. Hey!
I've made for you a beetroot sorbet, smoked chicken with a celery, blue cheese and walnut salad.
David, could you just tell us what you used to smoke the chicken?
Yeah, just some hickory chips and a mixture of some lapsang souchong tea leaves as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sorry.
It's just like the craziest plate of food I've ever come across. We've actually got a sorbet, which is dessert-like. A crazy, creamy pile of blue cheese, soupy vegetables, and chicken, which is so overly smoked that it's hardly palatable. You know, I'll always try and find something positive, because I've been in that situation, but, yeah, this is a bit of a shocker.
A bit of a shocker. Oh, my goodness.
I tasted a piece of the chicken, and now I just feel like I've been sitting by a campfire for 2 hours.
I'm just wondering what John and Greg are saying out there.
Well, that's about as out there as you can possibly get. It takes a bit of getting used to, but when you do, I really like it. Sweet, cold, smoky, and salty blue cheese.
I think that's great. Really clever. And the other thing is, it's different, but it works. I think it's going to divide the crowd, though. How have you cooked that pork, David?
We just seal it in the pan and then we've just like slow roasted it in the oven until it gets medium rare in the middle.
David's main, he's got loads of flavours going on, but also lots of complex processes. I'm worried that he's not going to get all those done in time.
4 minutes to go.
David's food excites me because I don't know what to expect.
You've got 1 minute left.
Cool, that's what I need.
OK, your time's up, David, so get this sauce on, get your parsnip on, and let's go.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
OK, you've got a medium rare Iberico Preza with carrot ketchup and a pumpkin seed pesto, just a red wine jus. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, this definitely does look better than the last course that we were presented with.
It's actually seasoned the meat really well. And I actually love that carrot ketchup. It's surprisingly got a lovely bit of acidity, so it kind of cuts through the fattiness of the pork.
The pumpkin pesto, it's actually pumpkin seed pesto, which in fact is much nicer than what I expected.
Quite honestly, the Iberico pork has been cooked beautifully.
After his first course, this is almost a masterpiece.
The thing I really love are those little parsnip crisps across the top with the smoked paprika. That and the pork, yum.
Loads of big, strong herbs in that pesto. He's got sweet and real pickling sharpness in that carrot ketchup. This is great.
This is your one chance if you get to this round to show what you're all about. I'm pleased that I've done myself justice. It's not perfect, but I think they'll be able to see what I'm trying to achieve.